I really love being part of the solution. So I love helping the customers and also the staff that work for me, just to assist them and help them overcome any difficulties.
My team knows that I want them to be successful, and they want me to be successful. So we're always working together to help each other win.
When I started here, I think we were just around 85 people, and now we're pushing 200. We've got a brand new location in Roanoke. So it's just absolutely rewarding to see that, and it's a great thing to be a part of. So I was actually really shocked when I got up in front of that crowd today and seeing how big it was. So it's just a really proud moment.
There's not many places you can come into work that you enjoy it. We can challenge each other openly and not hold it against each other. And it's really an environment where we don't win and someone else is lose. So we win together. We share best practices, so we all become better at the same time, and that's why we're growing so quick.
I'm super proud to be a part of this Renewal by Andersen, a Central Virginia and Roanoke team, because we are allowed to show up as difference makers, not only for each other in our employee population, but in our community. We absolutely make it our mission to make a difference, and that speaks volumes. We want to come to work, we want to be our authentic selves, and we want to be able to show up and just be happy. And I think that makes the difference.